an easy banana shake you can make in minutes, with creamy vanilla ice cream, a pinch of cinnamon, and a swizzle of whipped cream. My latest videos. X. If your grocery delivery hasn't come with 6 bunches of bananas, instead of just 6 bananas, are you even living? I don't sweat leftover bananas because I store them in the freezer for smoothies, my one banana bread, or for making pancakes with just eggs and mashed bananas. But recently, with a freezer full of bananas and vanilla beans staring, I decided to make the best banana milkshake ever. I'm afraid I'll never be able to drink a healthy smoothie again after tasting this creamy, dreamy shake. Bananas can have a one-note flavor. The flavor and make it irresistible. A small amount of lemon juice wakes up the banana flavor, followed by a dash of vanilla and small dusting of cinnamon. When everything is combined, it just tastes like the best banana milkshake ever, but the flavor lingers because of the additions.